friends, this is Cindy, and I'm here today to talk to you about something that is new for me. I have never been one to subscribe to those once a month box gifts. But I do have to say I have enjoyed watching other YouTubers open their boxy gifts every month and trying on their clothes and, you know, modeling their clothes for us and sort of asking for their viewers' input. Well, I was recently approached by a company called Jewlybox, and I was asked if I would be an influencer for Jewlybox. Well, Jewlybox has to do with jewelry. And so for $19.99 a month, you could receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month. So for example, I received this pretty little gold envelope in the mail, and it had this beautiful necklace, very rough cut stone, purple stone, these adorable earrings, and this darling little bracelet. I liked the idea of jewelry, of fashion jewelry, because it adds a certain sparkle to whatever outfit that you're wearing. And in fact, the philosophy behind Jewlybox is that jewelry is the perfect accessory for confidence. That Jewlybox empowers women with confidence, one piece of jewelry at a time. And I like that idea. Anything that empowers women or helps to give women confidence, I like that. Now I am wearing just a simple light pink mock turtleneck. And I think that by wearing this necklace and these earrings and this little bracelet, which is very stackable, that it definitely dresses this outfit up, this top that I'm wearing up, and does make me feel a little bit more dressed, which I like that. I like that. And in fact, I was thinking that because it's the holidays, that this would be a great gift for my daughter. I could, for $19.99, I could buy her a year's subscription to Jewlybox. She would receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month. Each month, when you receive your envelope with your 3 new pieces of fashion jewelry, each month has a different theme. So for example, they recommend that this month, this was actually the month of November, because this is sort of a chunky piece of jewelry, that this would look good with like a chunky sweater and some boots. And you could layer this darling little bracelet, this cuff bracelet, with other bracelets. So this is called an Anna cuff. These are Hannah with an H earrings. And this is a Victoria necklace. Now, I like these earrings. I'm not used to wearing smaller stud-like earrings, but what I like about these earrings is they really hug my earlobe. They don't drag my earlobe down. They fit close against the earlobe, which I really need and I have to have. So like I said, I never really have subscribed to anything monthly, but I think this is going to be fun to receive every month 3 new pieces of fashion jewelry. Jewelry that will brighten up, my everyday tunics with my leggings or my Levi's and my little ankle boots. It will also make a perfect gift for my daughter or my nieces or whatever. So anyway, I would invite you and encourage you guys to go on the website of Jewlybox, and I'll put the details down below. So with that, this is Palm Springs Cindy saying until our next conversation. Bye-bye.